Well, COVID-19 has brought mental health to the forefront for so many of us, including those in the Black community. And a major hospital in Arkansas just got this massive multi-million-dollar grant. It's so that they can go into barbershops and talk to Black men about their emotional well-being. Our sister station, KARK, has the details.
It's trim day at the barbershop. But here, a sharp line, or fade, comes with much more than a dope cut.
Oh, you got me looking like $1 million.
Through a program called the Confess Project, licensed barbers are trained to be mental health champions for Black men less likely to see a therapist.
Barbershop is, for us as African American men, one of our safe places.
And it's in the barber's chair that clients get a fresh look, designed with mental healing.
In a lot of places, even maybe at work or sometimes even at home, I might feel uncomfortable to express myself in certain ways. And so when I come to the barbershop, I can just relax and just talk about pretty much anything.
I know personally I've been fighting depression and anxiety for about 15 years.
92 JM's the big station. Your man Stack 3 is in the house right now.
Radio personality Houston Stackhouse speaks openly about mental health.
Just try to stay positive, try to keep pushing. So we all got to do.
He too finds support through his barber trained by the Confess Project.
I'm able to come in, just relax and just let everything just go.
Hey, so I'm Lorenzo Lewis from Little Rock, Arkansas, and I run an organization called the Confess Project.
Organization founder and Arkansas native Lorenzo Lewis had his own mental health issues.
It started with just my story of my own depression and really has evolved to becoming a national movement.
A movement of more than 1,000 barbers in 15 states, trained how to listen, detect problems, and guide clients to professional help if needed.
Our barbers are peer intervention specialists, I like to call it. They're advocates on the front line. And they're really supporting someone through a conversation which could really lead to true impact and a true quality of life change.
It's tough getting Black men, though, to the therapist, right?
It is, absolutely.
According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, in 2019, suicide was the second leading cause of death for African Americans between the ages of 15 and 24. And suicide for Black men was 4 times higher than for Black women.
Like you have to say it's grown.
Okay, yeah.
Taiwan Dickerson has been a barber since 1998. With the help of the Confess Project and other mental health training, he has more than barber tools to provide help and resources. And he's not afraid to ask tough questions.
Did we ever reach out for help? Did we ever, are you open?
So you'll ask them?
Yeah, I would ask him.
Point blank, how many actually say, yes, I have?
Yes, I have several.
He tells me one of his clients was admitted to a mental health facility after he convinced him to get help.
That was a good, awesome moment because I felt like he was at his breaking point. He felt like he was about to just give up on life.
Resistance to mental health treatment?
It's connected to shame and guilt. A lot of it, particularly with Black men, is Black men have so much of the stoicism to live up to, of being strong and powerful. And truly when, I think when we break through and understand that this is about us getting our power and getting the control of our life.
And can leave a positive effect on an entire family just by spending an hour or so getting shaped up and brushed off. In Little Rock, Arkansas.
All right, thank you, sir.
Donna Terrell reporting.
And they are currently looking for therapists in the DFW area to partner with. They say they're looking for African American therapists specifically. If you want more information, you can go to their website at theconfessproject.com. And I wanted to bring your attention to something that we've been working on that we're really excited about. So Sunday, February 20th at 6 p.m. and Friday, February 25th at 10 a.m. during our normal show time, we will be honoring Black history with hour-long specials here on CW33, and we do hope that you meet us there for that.
And 2 opportunities to watch, so we hope you will tune in, and we'll be back here in just a moment with your feedback on this Tuesday morning. Stay with us.